I want to reveal to you the new car on the Speedy Gimp 313 channel. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I am Speedy Gimp 313. In this entry we're again headed to Huck's Automotive Performance, and in this entry we're not necessarily doing a performance mod, we're adding a catch can to Deadpool the Camaro. And for those of you that don't know, the purpose of a catch can is that direct port injection engines have a bad issue with oil consumption. So what the catch can does is catches that oil before it can travel into parts of the engine that could later create problems or cause issues later in the engine's life or under hard or extreme driving conditions. So I'm gonna let you guys actually skip the travel in this one. I'm gonna get back on the road and head towards the shop, and I'll see you guys at the shop in just a little while.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to I'd like to I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may. I'd like to I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may.
Okay guys, so here's the final product on the catch can install. The catch can's by Elite Motorsports. I don't think I mentioned that earlier in the video. So here's the catch can, and we actually did go ahead and order the check valve for when we add a supercharger to the car. And obviously you guys will see that in a future video when that actually happens. But we did go ahead and order those parts, so we already have them when we get ready to add the supercharger. Okay guys, and here's a shot with the engine cover on. You almost can't even tell it's there, which is kind of what I was going for. Okay guys, so that's going to do it for the catch can install video. I know it may not have been very informative, other than really explaining to you guys what the purpose of the catch can is. Really, the installation was not that difficult. It was relatively straightforward. We did have to trim the mounting bracket to fit in the location where they recommend installing it, but what we ended up doing was eventually installing it in another location, which works just as well. And I'll actually put some footage of that earlier in the video. And if it was your first time coming to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to hit the bell notification button to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching and have a great night.